So how am I getting stopped? That's what I'm telling you. How are you stopping me? And I'm coming out the store. You want to see me start this up with a key or what?
This video captures a heated encounter between police officers and a man they suspected of driving a stolen truck. The man, clearly frustrated, insists his vehicle is legitimate, repeatedly pointing to his registration and challenging the officer's actions. Tension grows as the officer searches his truck without permission, while the man records and demands accountability. It's a clash between authority and personal rights, all unfolding on camera.
Yeah. So this is a traffic stop for what? Go ahead and break them off. Let me know what's going on.
This plate, not properly affixed. Your log punched this vehicle, most commonly stolen.
That's fine. So this one ain't stolen.
I just need to check that.
Well, go ahead and check my plate in the back, bro. Go ahead. I'm on my way to work. I'm not going home. So you might want to make this a little bit quick because this truck is not stolen.
It's on your time.
Yeah, it's on my time. So go ahead, bro. I'm not going nowhere. I'm right here.
You can sit on the curb?
No, I'm not sitting on no, bro. I'm not no bum. You stopping me for what? I'm walking out of the store making coffee. You talking about my truck. So what are you saying? I'm backed in. Come and look at the tags. Come on. Do your job. Look at it. Look what it says. Go ahead and take a look. Go ahead and take a look at the tag. I'm not sitting on no curb.
You know me, I afford it.
I sit on the curb. What, you want to see the title too? Got that one too. She's talking about, bro.
You have a license?
Of course.
Will you walk over here so I can check that?
I really don't feel I need to walk anywhere.
Listen, I gave you my reason for the stop. It is lawful.
This is a traffic stop, bro. You pulled me. My car is parked. I'm coming out of 7-Eleven. This is not a traffic stop. There's no lights on this car. So how am I getting stopped? That's what I'm telling you. How are you stopping me? And I'm coming out the store. You want to see me start this up with a key or what?
Not until I run the VIN. But
well, run it. You see the plates is right there, registration, everything's in the car.
Because what happens is I walk over there, jump in the car.
Nigga, I'm not jumping in shit, bro. I'm not no bum. Jumping in a car and drive off on your ass. Get out of here. We got this cop illegally going in my truck, opening the door, pulling the plates out of my truck. Yep, cop pulling all my shit out of my truck. I didn't give him anything. What?
Seriously, we're on your time.
You got, yeah, we're on my time. You got my papers out of my truck yourself. So what are you saying? You opened my door. I could walk around, bro. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not leaving my truck. I need to go to work. Well, obviously, man, hurry up. You got the registration. What more do you want? Call him. Call the sergeant too, bro. Ridiculous. You ain't fuck with not one bum out here. No nothing, man. Come on.
Jerry, because I know I do.
Nigga, I'm Westwood. I'm Junkyard Jerry. I make all District 4 look criminal. That's how. Probably in one of your training videos or something. Yeah, when that lady hit my El Camino, you said you couldn't do nothing at 7-Eleven because it was in a parking lot, correct? Yes, yes, sir. You don't know me for being a criminal. That's right. Is it? It's not helpful to me. Hurry up.
Try it.
Look at this guy pulling up crazy as fuck.
All right, guys, I'm just talking to Jerry because his car looked stolen and then he didn't want to give me any info. So you guys want to hang out with him.
What's up? Uh-oh, guys, we got the cops that don't do no talking, man. They came over here. They got a super criminal today. Uh-oh. Harassing the taxpayers, but leave the thumbs and bums alone. That's crazy. And I'm gonna need everybody's goddamn badge number and card on this too. Especially this guy. Uh-oh, he got his little tobacco, his little chewing tobacco. Uh-oh. And I need a card with that too.
So Jerry, if you put those plates on your truck instead of...
How long ago did I buy this truck?
That's not my...
You didn't look at that registration too good, did you?
That's what I needed to, Jerry.
Yeah, okay. And y'all too, y'all ain't got no cards or what? Oh yeah, Mr. Put It on the Hood. How about you, big guy? Yeah, I always do. Yeah, man, make sure y'all get that shit straight, too. Yeah. Make sure y'all catch them real criminals tonight. Leave them taxpayers alone. Uh-oh, District 4 is doing a great job. Make sure y'all check my YouTube, Junkyard Jerry. All three of y'all dummies will be on it.
In the end, the officers run the man's information and find everything checks out. The truck isn't stolen, the papers are valid, and he's free to go. But instead of an apology, the man leaves more frustrated than before, pointing out how much time was wasted and accusing the officers of harassment. He makes it clear this stop will be posted online for everyone to see, turning the moment into a reminder of why many people film their encounters with police. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Here is another
case.
case.
In this video, an officer approaches a man sitting outside a house, asking questions about who he is and why he's there. The man calmly records the interaction, makes it clear he doesn't have to answer, and insists he's just waiting for a friend named Johnny. The officer keeps pressing, but the man reminds him that he's not being detained and has every right to be there.
My friend.
I'm just recording for my own safety.
That's fine. I'm recording to you. There's a camera right here.
That's good.
Body camera.
That's cool.
571.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go already. I heard I'm waiting for you.
He says he's waiting for you.
Yeah, he's waiting for me. Yeah.
Oh, so you don't want to let him in your house?
I don't want to go in his house.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him.
Hey, you don't have to answer questions, Johnny.
Alright,
Yeah, Johnny. You okay, Johnny?
yeah, I'm fine.
All right. So what is your name, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
So it's Thursday, January 7th, 11:21 a.m. I'm sitting right here waiting for Johnny, and this kind officer pulls up, starts asking me questions,
Right, which is I'm entitled to.
which he's entitled to, but what?
Right. I'm entitled to ask you a question.
Is it illegal to be sitting right here?
I never said it was.
No, I'm not just asking you.
I never said it was illegal.
I'm not insinuating what you said. I'm just asking you a question. If
I'm
it's
asking your question.
okay.
I never said it was illegal for you to sit there. Never did stop you. I never detained you. I
No,
never
but
did
you-
anything like that.
Yeah, but you started talking to me, and I
I
don't.
can't talk to you. I can't cruise down the street and say, "Hey, how you doing? Are you live here?"
No,
I
you
can't
can
ask that.
You can do whatever you want.
Right. You could.
But now that the owner of the house came out here and said that, yeah, I'm waiting for him, then everything's good.
Right. You can leave whenever you want. I'm not detaining you.
I know you're not.
You know. I never say you can't. You
I know,
leave.
sir. I know.
You can leave whenever you want.
I know, but I'm not leaving it until he comes out.
Oh, he's already right there.
I know he is.
So where you guys going?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, okay. Cool. Well, you have yourself a good day.
Likewise.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No worries.
All right.
All right.
Let's go.
See you around.
I told you that I don't answer questions shit works.
By the end, Johnny comes outside, confirming the man's reason for being there. With that, the officer has no choice but to leave. The man never gave his name, never answered personal questions, and stood firm on his rights the whole time. The encounter ends peacefully, showing how staying calm, respectful, and knowing your rights can turn a tense moment into nothing more than a short conversation. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.